Hey, does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will address two common issues with the Thermomix TM5, the lid closure system, and the selector not functioning correctly. We will guide you through the necessary steps to diagnose and fix these problems effectively. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, we will focus on the lid closure system. Start by removing the lid from the bowl. To do this, gently press the release button located on the handle. Once the lid is off, inspect the closure mechanism for any visible debris or damage. If you notice any dirt, use a soft cloth to clean the area thoroughly. Now, let's take a closer look at the internal components. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the closure mechanism. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the closure mechanism out of the appliance. Inspect the mechanism for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears to be in good condition, clean it with a damp cloth. If you find any broken parts, it may be necessary to replace them. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. After cleaning or replacing the closure mechanisms, reassemble it by reversing the steps. Secure it back in place with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Now, let's address the selector issue. If the timer jumps or does not function correctly, it may be due to dirt or grease buildup. Start by removing the selector knob. This can usually be done by gently pulling it off. Once removed, clean the area underneath with a soft cloth. Next, inspect the selector for any signs of damage. If it appears dirty, you can clean it with a damp cloth. If the selector is damaged, you may need to replace it. Again, if you are unsure about this process, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. Once the selector is clean or replaced, reattach it by pushing it back onto the shaft until it clicks into place. Ensure it moves smoothly and does not stick. Finally, before plugging your Thermomix back in, double-check that all components are securely in place. This includes the lid and the selector. If everything looks good, plug in your appliance and test the lid closure and selector functionality. If you encounter any further issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel. Just a simple and efficient service to get your Thermomix back in working order. Thank you for following this tutorial, and we hope your Thermomix TM5 is now functioning perfectly. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.